Hey guys, today I'm just going to be showing you how to sharpen a OTF knife on the Worksharp Precision Sharpener. It's going to be a little bit more casual video. We have this Spartan from SRK Knives, which I'm a big fan of thus far. My only complaint is that it did not come super sharp out of the box. There are definitely spots on the blade that are sharp, but especially down towards the base, it is just kind of tearing that paper rather than sharpening it. And you can argue about how effective it is if, as long as the point is sharp on a knife like this, but I am going to be using this as a general purpose knife because I just like carrying it, and so I want the entire blade to be sharp. It looks like I need to do it to about 15 degrees, and we're going to start off with a 400 grit here. So we'll snap that on, zero our little angle guide right there. See where we're at. Now let's start at 17. 17 actually looks about right. So we're going to go for 17. And we'll go ahead and get started. So don't apply too much pressure. Start at the base and just smoothly run up and over. There we go. I'm going to flip it over. You can spin it over, but the handle's in the way in this case. Ready? Oh, sorry, bumped the camera there. Keep going. I don't quite have the burr that I want on this side. It's getting to be a little bit better. Now I'm just going to loosen this and flip to the other side. We've got that tightened. And we'll come down, just do the same thing over here. Again, you don't want to be applying a lot of pressure. Just let the stone do the work. You shouldn't be shoving it into your blade. Try to keep it nice and smooth. I might need to increase my angle just a bit. Something like that. Let's see where we're at. I'm noticing I'm taking off just a little bit of the finish, which means my angle is not right where I want it. There, it looks like about 18. I'm just giving it lots of passes at this stage, just to make sure we're getting our angle nice and set. And we'll come in and polish. Flip back to the other side. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and swap out for 600 grit. Let's just do a quick little check and see where we're at. Take our paper. That is much better. Because I'm OCD, after I do a paper test, I always like to just give it another pass. And we'll flip to the other side. Alrighty. Give another paper test. Beautiful. Now we'll take it up to 800. And finally, we'll give it a few passes with the ceramic. Oop. There you go. Give it one more paper test. Nice and sharp. Clean off that residue because we did go with the coarse grit to kind of set our angle at the beginning. There is some residue on there, so especially with an OTF knife, but really with any knife, just make sure that you get that cleaned off. You don't want all that metal powder going inside of your handle and messing up with the mechanism. You can see not a ton, but there is some there. And one final paper test. Much better. Nice and sharp all the way from the base to the tip. Got that nice, not quite a mirror finish on that edge, but certainly a nice clean angle all the way. So there you have it. That's how you clean or sharpen a OTF knife, in this case the Spartan, using the Worksharp Precision Sharpener.